Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on the Lidl Plus app. First, you need to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Lidl Plus app. The first thing you will see is a screen asking you to select your country. Choose your country from the list. After that, you will be asked to select your favorite local store. Pick the store where you usually shop. Now, select Login or Register. Since you are creating a new account, choose the option to register. You will now need to enter your personal details. Type in your first name and last name. Enter your email address carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes. Then provide your date of birth as requested. Double-check all the information before moving forward. Next, enter your mobile phone number. After you submit it, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Check your messages, find the code, and enter it into the app to confirm your number. Finally, go to your email inbox. Open the confirmation email from Lidl and click on the activation link. Your account is now fully activated. Thanks for watching.